Hi, this is Misbah and you are watching Wisdom Dose. Introduction, NEBOSH International General Certificate, IGC course. Welcome to this complete NEBOSH International General Certificate course. Before we begin our first lesson, I want to give you an introduction to what this course is about, who it's for, how you can take it, and why it can be such a valuable qualification for your career. What is NEBOSH IGC? NEBOSH stands for the National Examination Board in Occupational Safety and Health. It's a UK-based examination body that sets high standards in health, safety, and environmental qualifications. The NEBOSH International General Certificate, or IGC, is one of their most popular and widely recognized qualifications, respected all over the world. It teaches you how to manage health and safety in any workplace, in line with international standards. Career path after NEBOSH IGC. When you first complete the NEBOSH IGC and you have little or no prior safety experience, you will usually start in an entry-level role such as trainee HSE officer, HSE assistant, safety coordinator, or junior site safety inspector. At this stage in the Middle East, you can typically expect a salary in the range of USD 900 to 1,500 per month, plus benefits like accommodation, transport, and return tickets for leave. In Pakistan, India, or Bangladesh, it may be USD 250 to 500 per month. While in the UK or Europe, it could be around GBP 20,000 to 26,000 per year. After gaining 1 to 2 years of on-the-job experience, you can progress to roles such as HSE officer, safety officer, or site safety inspector. In the Middle East, salaries at this stage often rise to USD 1,800 to 2,800 per month, in South Asia to USD 500 to 800 per month, and in the UK or Europe to about GBP 25,000 to 32,000 per year. With 3 to 5 years of experience, you can advance to positions like Senior HSE Officer, HSE Engineer, or Safety Supervisor. Salaries in the Middle East for these roles are usually USD 2,800 to 4,000 per month, in South Asia USD 800 to 1,200 per month, and in the UK or Europe GBP 30,000 to 38,000 per year. By the time you have 6 to 10 years of experience, along with some additional qualifications such as the NEBOSH Diploma or ISO 45001 Lead Auditor certification, you may be able to step into management roles like HSE Manager, Safety Manager, or Safety Team Lead. At this level, Middle East salaries can range from USD 4,000 to 7,000 per month plus benefits. In South Asia, from USD 1,200 to 2,000 per month, and in the UK or Europe from GBP 38,000 to 55,000 per year. Finally, with over 10 years of strong experience, advanced qualifications, and a proven record of leadership, you could reach top-level positions such as head of HSE or corporate HSE director. Salaries for these senior roles in the Middle East can be anywhere from USD 7,000 to 12,000 or more per month, plus family benefits. In South Asia, you could expect USD 2,500 or more per month, and in the UK or Europe, GBP 55,000 to over 80,000 per year. The actual speed of career growth depends on your performance, your willingness to learn, the sector you work in, and your networking abilities. Additional professional development, like taking ISO Lead Auditor courses, process safety certifications, or even postgraduate safety studies, can accelerate your promotion opportunities. And once you enter this field, work there regularly, your practical experience make all these additional qualifications easy. Who can do this course? One of the best things about NEBOSH IGC is that there is no formal education requirement to enroll. If you can read and write in English, understand what you read, and express yourself clearly, either verbally or in writing, you can do this course. You don't need to be perfect in grammar. What matters is that your message is clear and without ambiguity. In short, it does not matter if you attended middle school, high school, or whatever. What matters is, if you can understand the lessons and explain your answers in a way the examiner understands, you can succeed in NEBOSH IGC. Why do this course? Benefits. The NEBOSH IGC is a gateway to rewarding career opportunities in health and safety. Qualified professionals are in high demand in industries such as oil and gas, construction, manufacturing, transportation, and more. With this qualification, you can apply for safety jobs in both developed countries and high-paying markets like the Middle East, in Saudi Arabia, UAE, Qatar, Kuwait, Oman, and beyond. These jobs often come with excellent salaries, benefits like accommodation and transport allowances, and opportunities for career growth. For many people, NEBOSH IGC opens the door to a better standard of living and financial stability. How to enroll in NEBOSH IGC? NEBOSH is a UK examination board. If you live outside the UK, you cannot apply directly to NEBOSH for admission. Instead, NEBOSH works through approved learning partners, institutions that are authorized to deliver the training and register you for the exams. You can find a list of approved institutions in your country by searching on Google or visiting the official NEBOSH website. They are available almost in every country's major cities. Avoiding scams. Unfortunately, in many developing countries, when something is in high demand, scammers appear. So please, before paying any fees, make sure the institution is officially approved by NEBOSH UK. Do not trust someone who only contacts you through social media. Always physically visit the training center to confirm it is NEBOSH approved, and only enroll once you're satisfied that it's genuine. This will protect you from fake agents or unapproved institutions. How this course will help you. In this video series, I'll guide you through every element of the NEBOSH IGC syllabus. We'll cover both IG1, Theory and Management Principles, and IG2, Practical Hazard Identification and Risk Assessment. The lessons are designed to make concepts easy to understand, even if you've never studied health and safety before. By the end of the course, if you follow the lessons and practice what you learn, you'll be ready to pass your NEBOSH IGC exam with confidence. Special note on study material. If you need PDF books of the course for study, you can WhatsApp me on the number given at the end of this video. Please send only a WhatsApp message, no phone calls. This way, I can send you the material directly and you can start your preparation immediately. Conclusion. So that's the overview of NEBOSH IGC, what it is, who can do it, why it's worth doing, and how to get started safely. From the next video, we'll start our first lesson, and I hope that by the time we reach the final lecture, you'll not only be ready for your exam, but also confident in applying these skills in the workplace. Let's get started on this journey together.